YouTubers. So we got this beautiful butcher block for one of the counters in the kitchen. And for your butcher block, you want to use a food grade mineral oil to seal it. And then I just have like a regular rag. And when you first seal it, you want to make sure you use a pretty good amount. I already put one layer on it. This is going to be the second layer that I let sit. Once you put the mineral oil on in a pretty thick amount, then you let it sit for 20 minutes, and after that you can wipe off anything that's like excess, and then your butcher block is sealed and ready to go. That's how you handle that.
All right. Hey, welcome to the basement build apartment. So just wanted to show you guys, I guess my comments have been I need to be more instructional on how I use things. This is a caulk gun, C-A-U-L-K, caulk, okay? This is caulk, and it comes in a tube like this. This one is fast dry latex caulk, and it's C-A-U-L-K plus silicone, and it comes sealed. So with this caulk gun here, that's sealed, and then on your caulk gun, right here on the handle, I wonder if you guys can see that, there's a blade inside there. So you just stick the tip of the caulk gun in there. So basically you take your caulk, stick it in the handle here, and however you desire, and then you flip, it falls out. See how it does a cut there? Then on your caulk gun there's this pokey poker, and you just flip it out, stick it in the hole here, just like that, and boop, puncture the inside. You get some white on there. I know a lot of professionals would wipe that off, but I just turn it back over. Then you take your caulk and you stick it in the gun right there. There's this little tab where you can pull the handle back, push the caulk in, take this, stick it in, C-A-U-L-K, and you push it in and you turn it, and then you get it tight to where the caulk's going to come out, and that's it, and then you use it. So thank you.